Welcome to the channel. Oh wow, what is this? A well-known brand, but did not know that they also made lenses. Most of the time the Praktica bodies came with Pentacons. This is one of those lenses where everything goes by itself. Everything that needs to be sharp is sharp, you can choose, and it just works. A simple snapshot can quickly be made into a good photo. It's an M42, so again much closer to focusing with the M42 helicoid to NEX adapter. Shoot wide open photos as close to the subject as possible. I love it.